Hello, stylish souls. Welcome back to the Modish Mingle channel. If you've ever thought sneakers and elegance don't go hand in hand, think again. In 2025, fashion-forward women are proving that sneakers can be both effortlessly chic and incredibly comfortable when styled correctly. Today, we'll explore the key principles that will help you elevate your sneaker game while maintaining a refined, sophisticated look. Let's dive in. 1. Opt for minimalist sneakers. There's something undeniably elegant about a well-put-together outfit. And believe it or not, sneakers can play a major role in achieving that effortless sophistication. But here's the secret. Not all sneakers are created equal. If you want to look polished while staying comfortable, the key is to opt for minimalist designs. Think about it. Sleek, understated sneakers in neutral tones like white, beige, or soft taupe have a way of blending seamlessly into any outfit. They don't scream for attention, yet they elevate your entire look with a sense of refinement. Leather and suede sneakers, in particular, are timeless choices. They offer that perfect mix of casual ease and elevated style, making them an ideal companion for both tailored pieces and relaxed everyday wear. Now, if you're someone who loves a pop of color, don't worry. You don't have to stick to neutrals. In 2025, we're seeing a rise in rich, sophisticated hues like deep burgundy, forest green, and midnight blue. The trick is balance. A pair of elegant, well-crafted sneakers in one of these shades can act as the perfect statement piece when paired with neutral or monochrome outfits. It's a simple yet effective way to add personality without overwhelming your look. And here's one of the most important rules. Less is more. Sneakers with excessive branding, chunky soles, or flashy embellishments can sometimes take away from that polished, effortless aesthetic. Instead, go for a streamlined silhouette, clean lines, high-quality materials, and subtle details. That's what truly makes a sneaker feel luxurious and versatile enough to take you from a casual brunch to a business casual meeting with ease. Ultimately, minimalist sneakers aren't just about style. They're about versatility. They're the kind of shoes you can wear over and over again, effortlessly pairing with everything from jeans and trousers to skirts and dresses. When chosen wisely, they become a staple in your wardrobe, giving you that perfect balance of comfort and elegance every single day. 2. Wearing sneakers with dresses. There's something undeniably chic about wearing sneakers with dresses. It's that perfect fusion of femininity and comfort, a look that's both relaxed and put together at the same time. Whether you're running errands, heading to brunch, or even dressing up for an evening out, the right dress and sneaker combination can make you feel effortlessly stylish. But just like any outfit, there's an art to getting it right. One of the most foolproof ways to style this combo is by layering a blazer over a dress. A structured blazer instantly elevates even the most casual dress, striking that perfect balance between sophistication and ease. Imagine a long black slip dress paired with a crisp white button-down shirt and classic sneakers. It's minimal, timeless, and endlessly versatile. To complete the look, add black sunglasses, silver hoop earrings, and a structured handbag for a refined, city chic vibe. For those who love a bit more color and texture, a brown satin maxi dress paired with a matching blazer is a stunning option. To keep things fresh, opt for cream-colored sneakers, then tie the look together with coordinating sunglasses and a structured bag. Adding a gold chain belt, hoop earrings, and a sleek cuff bracelet can bring just the right amount of glamour without feeling overdone. The key to mastering this look lies in proportion and contrast. Flowing, lightweight dresses pair beautifully with streamlined sneakers, creating a harmonious blend of softness and structure. On the other hand, if you're wearing a more structured dress, like a fitted midi or a shirt dress, minimalist sneakers help keep the look refined rather than overly casual. Another important detail? Pay attention to the length of your dress. Midi and maxi dresses tend to work best with sneakers because they create a long, elegant silhouette. If you prefer shorter dresses, opt for low-profile sneakers rather than chunky styles to maintain balance. At the end of the day, sneakers and dresses are a combination that allows you to move with ease while looking effortlessly stylish. It's proof that fashion doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the simplest pairings create the most impactful looks. So, whether you're drawn to sleek monochrome outfits or love experimenting with color and texture, this styling trick is one you'll find yourself reaching for again and again. 3. Elevating trousers with sneakers. Pairing sneakers with trousers is one of the easiest ways to achieve a polished yet relaxed look. It's the ultimate balance between elegance and effortlessness, perfect for those who want to stay comfortable while looking put together. But as simple as it seems, there's an art to getting it right. The key? Choosing the right cut, the right sneaker style, and the right way to put the whole outfit together. Let's start with the foundation. Well-tailored trousers. High-waisted, straight-leg or wide-leg designs are the best choices when wearing sneakers, as they create a sleek and elongated silhouette. Unlike skinny trousers, which can sometimes make sneakers look too bulky, these structured cuts maintain a sense of proportion, allowing the outfit to flow seamlessly. Now, when it comes to color, neutrals are your best friend. Think beige, cream, navy, or muted earth tones, shades that naturally exude refinement and are easy to mix and match. These colors give off a polished vibe while keeping your outfit feeling fresh and modern. If you're feeling adventurous, try a monochrome look. Pairing sneakers with trousers in the same color family creates an elongated effect that feels effortlessly sophisticated. One of the most common mistakes people make? Wearing trousers with oversized or overly loose tops. While relaxed silhouettes have their charm, combining them with wide-leg trousers can create a shapeless look that feels more slouchy than stylish. Instead, opt for structured or fitted tops, a cropped cardigan, a tailored blazer, or even a tucked-in button-down shirt. These small tweaks help define the waist and maintain a refined balance. For an effortlessly stylish everyday outfit, try layering a gray blazer over a white t-shirt, pairing it with high-waisted black wide-leg trousers. Add a slim black belt to cinch the waist, then finish the look with sleek sneakers and a structured handbag. If you prefer something softer yet equally polished, go for a cream-colored cardigan layered over a fitted tee, paired with matching cream trousers. Elevate the look with burgundy sneakers and a coordinating bag. Then add delicate gold jewelry for a touch of understated luxury. At its core, sneakers with trousers is a power move. It blends confidence with ease, showing that elegance doesn't have to mean sacrificing comfort. The trick is in the details: structured cuts, refined color choices, and a well-balanced silhouette. Once you master these elements, you'll have a go-to outfit formula that works every time. 4. Styling sneakers with skirts. There's something undeniably chic about pairing sneakers with skirts. It's that perfect mix of femininity and ease, where style meets comfort without sacrificing elegance. But the key to making this combination work lies in balance. Choosing the right skirt, the right sneakers, and the right styling details can make all the difference between looking effortlessly put together and unintentionally mismatched. Let's talk about one of the most stylish pairings: satin skirts with sneakers. The fluidity of a satin skirt naturally contrasts with the casual feel of sneakers, creating a beautifully balanced aesthetic. But here's a common mistake: wearing socks that extend too far above the ankle. This small detail can visually cut off your legs, making them appear shorter and disrupting the flow of the outfit. Instead, opt for no-show or ankle-length socks to maintain a seamless and elongated silhouette. Another styling misstep? Pairing a satin skirt with an overly loose or unstructured top. While oversized pieces have their place, combining them with a flowy skirt can result in an outfit that looks bulky rather than refined. Instead, go for a fitted or slightly structured top. Think a cropped cardigan, a tailored blouse, or even a sleek bodysuit. These choices define the waist and maintain an elegant balance. Now, let's talk denim skirts. A structured denim skirt can be a fantastic match for sneakers, giving off a modern yet polished vibe. However, avoid styles that are overly distressed or heavily detailed. Too many rips or embellishments can make the outfit feel less refined. Instead, opt for clean-cut designs or skirts with well-placed, symmetrical slits that enhance movement while keeping the look sophisticated. A great way to style a denim skirt? Pair it with a classic button-down shirt, perhaps in a crisp blue or soft white, tucked in neatly to define the waist. Add a suede belt and a structured handbag to pull the look together, and finish with a pair of sleek, minimalist sneakers for that effortlessly chic finish. One final note. Not all skirts work with sneakers. Balloon skirts, for example, already add volume to the lower half of the body, and pairing them with sneakers can create an unbalanced silhouette. Instead, opt for something more structured. Or if you love the drama of a voluminous skirt, consider styling it with heeled footwear to maintain proportion and refinement. The beauty of skirts and sneakers lies in the versatility they offer. When styled correctly, this combination can take you from a casual brunch to an evening out, all while keeping you comfortable and effortlessly stylish. 5. Pairing sneakers with the right jeans. Denim and sneakers, a classic combination that seems effortless, but getting it just right requires a bit of strategy. The key? It's all about proportion. The shape of your jeans plays a huge role in how polished and well-balanced your outfit looks. Let's start with what to avoid. Pairing chunky sneakers with skinny jeans can often create a disproportionate silhouette. The slim fit of the jeans makes the sneakers look overly bulky, cutting off the leg line and making the whole outfit feel unbalanced. On the flip side, straight leg or slightly cropped jeans with oversized sneakers can sometimes give the illusion of larger feet, which might not be the most flattering choice. So, what's the best approach? If you love a sleek, streamlined look, go for minimalist, low-profile sneakers with ankle-length or straight-leg jeans. This combination creates a natural elongation of the legs, while keeping the overall aesthetic refined. A great way to style this is by pairing your jeans with a classic striped button-down shirt, layering a cozy knit sweater over your shoulders for added depth. Complete the look with a structured handbag and subtle accessories for that effortless, put-together feel. Now, if you're a fan of chunky sneakers, don't worry, you don't have to give them up. The trick is to balance the proportions by pairing them with wide-leg or relaxed-fit jeans. This creates a more harmonious look, elongating the legs while allowing the sneakers to blend seamlessly into the outfit, rather than overpowering it. A simple yet stylish way to wear this is with a crisp white t-shirt tucked into high-waisted, wide-leg denim. Layer on a cropped trench coat for a touch of sophistication, and finish with a sleek belt and a coordinating handbag to tie everything together. At the end of the day, sneakers and jeans are a match made in fashion heaven. The secret is understanding how different silhouettes interact with each other, and using that knowledge to create a look that feels effortlessly stylish and completely intentional. And there you have it. 5 expert-approved ways to style sneakers while keeping your look effortlessly chic and sophisticated in 2025. Which of these styling tips is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fashion insights. See you in the next video!